So this is nice and warm. This is perfect for a desk, for a personal heater. It doesn't get too hot, but it gets warm enough to keep you nice and warm. As you can see, it's super quiet. And it's pretty warm. It does have a safety mechanism that when you put it down, it stops getting hot. It's not hot at all right now. So if it tips over, it's not getting hot. This is not hot at all. And then pull it back up, it'll be fine. If you knock it over to the side, it's still gonna warm up. So yeah, there is no way to adjust the heat. If you want it to come out stronger, if you want it to come out less than, but it doesn't come out very strong, but you don't need it to because you literally feel nice and warm just by using it. And so I do like the safety mechanism. If it accidentally, again, gets tipped over, it's still fine or whatever. And so this is actually a nice little desk heater, especially if you are in a place like mine that gets super cold, but you don't want to turn on the heat up any higher than what it is. And so it's a pretty cool heater, but yep, that's the way it works. And you simply turn it on. And then there you go.